It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a very quick DIY and pretty much self-explanatory project. So I had a subscriber to ask what kind of board we use when we display our products during the reveal. So this is what that is. This is what this video is going to teach you. So all you need to do is pick out whatever type of wallpaper decor you want to use on your board. You want to first select one of those tri-poster boards or those project display boards. They come with the 3 sections, and you just want to lay the wallpaper down and fit it to the board. That's it. So without any more commentary, I'm just going to allow you to watch exactly what I do and how I bring this together. But before I do, if you have yet to subscribe to the channel, please make sure that you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload to the channel. Now please make sure you come back to visit me tomorrow because I have an amazing DIY for you guys. But until then, just enjoy the video. Now we'll hop right in and say this much. If you are creating this board on a floor or some larger space, you won't have to do as much manipulation as I had to do using this faux craft table. But I did want to hop in and let you know that much. But again, continue to watch the video and enjoy the music. Guys, while you continue to watch this video, I do want to welcome all of my new and returning subscribers to the channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you for clicking on that subscribe button and joining the Joyful Designz family, where you are receiving great crafts from your chief crafter, none other than me, myself, and I, Joy. So continue to enjoy the video, guys, and I will be back on to end it. Now, when you're creating this project, as you can see, you just basically got to cut it down to size and really manipulate it so that you have a smooth finish and a very professional looking board. Now, another option to doing this, you can always buy you a light box if you're going to upload your projects or your products to, say, a website or to, a static photo. You can always get a light box for that. And that way you don't have to do this, because with some light boxes, guys, they come with different backgrounds. But when you are just displaying stuff, like for what we do here on YouTube, or if you are at a pop-up shop, or you display something at, say, a flea market or something like that, and you just want to give it a professional look, you can do that. So right here, I am actually responding to one of the Fab Five ladies, Malinda, with at Abby Dolled. She actually styled her living room. So I will link her video to this one so that you can go check it out. It's really, really cool, guys. It looks really amazing. She's so talented. Again, that was Malinda at Abby Dolled. Again, guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to my channel. Again, guys, when you are doing this project, you will have to basically piece this together because of the type of board you're working with and the way you actually are laying out the poster board using the wallpaper. And because I wanted mine to look like a continuous flow of bricks, I had to lay it a little different than, the way some of you may have laid yours. And again, I was working with a smaller space than I would if I was on the floor and or at a larger table. But keep watching. Again, guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way, YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to my channel. Well, here's the reveal, guys, and for the subscriber that wanted me to show you how we create these boards, here you are. I hope it was easy to follow, basically self-explanatory, and hopefully this is something that you can use when you are attending pop-up shops or setting up vendor booths at flea markets and even in a yard sale. Until the next DIY, be blessed, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.